Hi, in this video, you will learn the installation procedure of Ubuntu 22.04 on VirtualBox. As you can see on your screens, there are links provided. The first two links are the links that we needed for we can able to execute this activity. The first link is for the installation of the VirtualBox, and the second link is for the installation of Ubuntu 22.04.2 LTS. Let's now first click the first link. As instructed, choose the Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 or the Oracle Linux 9. You can see in the downloads history the multiple times I have downloaded this VirtualBox. This VirtualBox is already downloaded in my device. So let's stop the process of downloading this again and proceed to the second link provided, which is for the Ubuntu 22.04. As you notice, upon clicking the link, this website is not the Ubuntu 22.04. So, we need to search it. Search for Ubuntu 22.04. As you can see, it's already in my search history. Upon clicking, we can say that this is the right website of the Ubuntu 22.04. Then upon scrolling, we can see the lots of available files that we can download. But for this, we need to install what's best for our device, which is this Ubuntu 22.04.4 desktop AMD 64 ISO, which has a size of 4.7 gigabyte. You can see also in my downloads history that it's already installed in my device. The duration of downloading this took almost 30 minutes. So here you can see the VirtualBox application and the Ubuntu 22.04 this image file. Let's now open the VirtualBox Manager. Then here, click on the new button to generate a new virtual machine. Here, let's write our machine name and its type. Then click Next. Then as you can see, the hardware, the basic memory and processors are already set. It's based on the system of my device. So let's leave it and click Next again. Then here in virtual hard disk, select the first option, then click Next. Then here you can see the summary, or we can say the summary of the configuration, which shows the machine name and OS type, hardware, and this. Then let's proceed, then click Finish. Upon clicking, we can see that the configuration we have created is now in the list. So we can see on the right side the preview, all about the configuration, all about the details of the configuration we have created. Here are the general, system, storage, display, audio, network, USB, shared folders, and description. So let's now proceed and click the start button or the start arrow. In order to boot the machine, include the downloaded ISO file that will act as a startup disk. So, we will click this arrow down and then we will click the others, then downloads, and click the Ubuntu 22.04. Then, click mount and retry boot. Here, let's click the try or install Ubuntu. And then, let's click capture. And now, upon waiting and execution, you will see like the welcome tab. You will see the selection of language that you want to use. And then, for this, we will click the try Ubuntu. Then there will be this like a CMD that will appear on your screen. As you notice, upon appearing, it's just like a device inside your device. But it's like two outputs, but using only just a single set of input devices. It has features that our normal monitor has, like Firefox files, like a Microsoft Word, and this last icon that like a recycle bin. It has all the software, and pardon me, it's not all, but some of the software that our real or our normal monitor has. Now let's create a folder by clicking the files and then right click and click new folder and then create or enter folder name. Is this time I will use or I will name it as IT231 and then click create and then you can see that it appears already. It's in the alphabetical order. Then I will try to copy a file, then copy, and then I will paste here. you can see that it appears inside the folder I created. Now let's try the LibreOffice Writer, which is like a Microsoft Word. And then, did you know, we will click the OK. And then we will try to create a file. I will write here IT231. So IT231. And then we will type features of Linux OS. Then here we will declare the features that the Linux OS has. For features, we can say that Linux OS is free and open source, as it's free and expenses are never a hindrance by using this OS because it's completely free of cost. And then we can also say that it's a multi-user because it allows to access the system resources at the same time and allows multiple applications to run at the same time. So for me, it's safe, like it's completely secured because it's like a diary that we can secretly or we can privately put some documents in that VirtualBox because others may not notice or know that the VirtualBox exists. On any kind of environment, it doesn't depend on the device, like how high-ended or low-ended it is. It's also extremely flexible as it incorporated into embedded products like watches, equipment, or computing servers. And lastly, it's customizable. All languages are available and acceptable worldwide. And keyboard can be changed according to the requirements and preferences of the user. And then we will save it. So we will click File on the upper part. And then we'll click Save. And then, of course, the path that we will save this file. So we will choose a folder. Then we will try to put it on the folder that we created. So we will go to Home and then IT231 and then here we will click the Save. And then we will try to check it. It really goes there. Then here we will click IT231 and then here we successfully saved the file here at this folder. So that's all. So thank you. I hope you understand this video and I hope you understand even a little about from this video. So that's it. God bless you all. Thank you.